What's up, my backyard tinkerers? Today I've got another lawnmower that I found on the side of the road. Somebody was throwing it out. I tried to start it. It will not start, so let's have a look. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is take off this filter cover and try and spray a little quick start in there. Quick start. See if she starts up. Or if she blows up. Here we go. All right, another case of the carburetor cloggies. So we get to taking that carburetor off and we'll have a look. Okay, so for this one, I had to take the muffler off in order to reach that second carb screw, which is right, I don't know if you can see it, right in there. Otherwise, there's no other way to reach it. I can get it this one, no problem. So we'll go and take the rest of it off. As you can see, I got it off. I'm leaving the screws in there right now because it's holding up this. You can see it there? It's holding up this, and I don't really want to undo that, so I'm just going to leave it there for now. Always make sure that you disconnect your spark plug before you start working on these things. So next I've got to clamp off my fuel line and then take this link off, and then we've got it clear. So we have the carburetor off. There it is. We're just going to proceed to take that bowl off. Find it's not the right size. What size is that now? Probably a 1/2 inch. It is. So let's take that off. And you can see the screw itself has holes in it. So they will need to be addressed. Have to make sure they're cleaned out. A little bit of sludge in there. And a lot of sludge in there. So no wonder it's not working. But the gasket looks pretty good. Really good, actually. It's not even dried up. Pretty good. So let's take this float out and get it out. Some needle nose pliers here. There we go. I'm going to set that up there. Oh, there's the needle. Looks pretty good. I'm not sure how that was in there now. Oh, I see. Just goes through here. Even the float has some sludge on it. We'll have to spray that off. And that's just gross. Looks like he tried to run pudding through here. Pudding. Just going to spray this down. Oops. Down through here. That looks good. Just going to take that gasket right off. Kind of in the way. That all looks clear. Not bad. Now there is a jet in there, but oh, I'm going to have to push it out. See that little blue thing sticking up there? I don't know if you can see it. I'm going to try and push that down with a flathead screwdriver and get it to come out this end. There we go. Well, it did pop down. I can get it to come out now. Does not want to come out. I wonder if I can grab that with these.
Yes. It is.
Okay, so there is my little probes here. Get those out. Really scrub this thing out good. We only have the two little holes in that right there. See, there's no other holes anywhere else. So we'll just wonder if I can get one of these brushes through. Oh yeah, I can. I'll spray it out. It's good. All right, guys. So we've got it all buttoned back up. Threw the carburetor on. Put the muffler back on. All looks good. Gas back on. governor link hooked up properly. So let's put this back here and give her a go. It should start up, I hope, anyway. Let's see what happens. Give it a few pumps. All right, sounds good. So I'm gonna probably end up taking this motor off of this because this body's toast. But another one in the books. Thanks for joining me. Remember, if you like what you see and you're enjoying the videos, hit like and subscribe. See you later.